This low-effort social strategy brings in a ton of ROI. How much effort are you putting into your social media strategy? It can be so frustrating if you're putting in all this time and effort, but you're still not getting much, if any kind of return on your latest campaign in your time. That's why you need to work smarter, not harder. Look, your audience is out there. After all, according to Statista, there are 4.59 billion users on social media. So if you want to expand your reach, there are plenty of opportunities to do so, but you have to do it right. My favorite way to boost ROI on social, it's to post content users actually respond to. And I do that by posting carousel ads. Carousel ads have an engagement rate per post of 1.9% compared to 1.74% for images and 1.45% for videos. And that number goes over 2% when all 10 slides are used. And the craziest part, a combination of images and videos in the same carousels can drive even a higher engagement at 2.33%. Now, here's where the issue comes in for users. 88% of carousels only contain images and 4% only contain videos. Carousel ads also have a 72% higher CTR than single image ads. Now, here's a kicker with carousels, and this is why you need to use them, especially with ads. Think of it this way. With social media, what does Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and everyone want? They want you to keep users on the platform. See, if I pitch you on, let's say, this phone that I'm selling, and I say, check out this phone, buy it through a carousel ad, or just a normal ad actually, not even a carousel ad, what's going to happen? You're going to ignore it, you're not going to swipe up, you're not going to care. And there's a big drop-off rate from how many people see the ad versus how many people click, right? But on the flip side, if I do a carousel ad and I say, you got to buy this iPhone, it's amazing, I'm selling it, and I show you in a carousel 10 cool things that this phone does, and you swipe. Oh wow, amazing camera, help me take better social media images. Swipe 2. Oh wow, better battery life than the previous versions, it lasts 50% longer. Swipe again. Oh wow, the storage space is even bigger. I can store another 5,000 extra images that I couldn't store before. Oh, even this is even more amazing. The front camera is in HD. And then I go and I say, oh, this one's really cool. It has augmented reality built into the phone. Oh, it comes with sound blocking noise. So when I talk to someone on speaker, it blocks off the background noise from. Oh, this is really cool. I got kids in the background that make a lot of noise. So this phone is like right for me. And then they can click through and buy. You see what I did there? I sold people through my carousel ad, so I don't have as big of a drop-off from people seeing the ad and then clicking over to my website to learn more. This way, they're learning within the carousel ad, and then when they click through, they're ready to buy. That is the simplest social strategy that'll help you generate more return today. Use it. We do it for our clients. It works out well. It works for almost every industry, both B2B, B2C. I don't care if you're selling a product or a service. It works. Check it out. You got to use it. If you just want my team to do this for you, check out my ad agency, NP Digital. If you have any questions, leave a comment below. If you enjoyed this video, like it, share it, tell people about it. Thank you very much.